आज मैं एक झटपट सी रेसिपी लेके आई हूँ एंड दिस इज नॉट अ रेगुलर रेसिपी, इट इज एन एयर फ्राई रेसिपी टुडे. सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज, एज यू कैन सी, these are the washed and simple raw potatoes. So I am going to use them along with the peel. I like the flavor of the this potato peels. So what I am going to do is, I am going to make the potato veggies today. So what I will do is, let's first see the ingredients. This is 4 raw potatoes, washed and cleaned. In the spices, I am going to take salt, some red chili powder, just a pinch, so this, as it is for kids basically. Then I am going to use some black pepper, some lemon juice, and oil, of course. So let's begin. Now friends, as you can see, I have cut all my veggies and potato veggies, and now what I am going to do is, before mixing the spices in this, what I am going to do is, I am going to preheat my air fryer for around 5 minutes. So let's go. So here friends, I'm going to use my American Micron air fryer, and so let's preheat at around 180 degrees for around 5 minutes. So as you can see, it has started and the red light has gone on. So let's go back to our potatoes. So let's begin, guys. For these veggies, first I'm going to add some oil. Maybe you can say 2 teaspoons. Along with it, I am going to add some salt for seasoning. If you are making it for kids, you can avoid the red chili powder. I am going to add just a dash of it. Then just a sprig of black pepper and some lemon juice. Now let's give it a good mix. So that it gets coated everywhere and every potato gets coated. As you can see, this potato is not cut. Let me cut this also. Okay, so let's coat it up properly. By that time, our air fryer will also get preheated. So as you can see, all our potatoes are coated well. If you like the flavor of garlic in this, you can even add garlic powder, but my kids don't like the flavor of garlic in this. They just like to have the normal potato veggies. So let's put it in the air fryer. So friends, as you can see, my potatoes have been resting for around 4 minutes. Let's just give them a final toss, and then let's see the air fryer. So as you can see, our air fryer is almost preheated and it's going to beep up right now, and then we are going to put in the potatoes in it. So friends, let's put this potato in the air fryer. It's going to be very hot, so you don't have to touch it at all. So just toss it inside and you close it. And now I am going to start the timer at around 200 degrees for around 14 minutes. So let's wait for another 14 minutes. So friends, our bell has rang, and let's open it and see. Wow, they've come out so nice. So we will take them out in a plate. So let's start plating them. So hey guys, our crispy potato veggies are ready, and I have topped them with little slices of cheese and some mixed herbs. I hope you like my video. Do subscribe to my channel, and do let me know for such more easy recipes, and thank you.